Design and analysis of algorithms, module 5. In that branch and bound technique, we have already discussed one problem, that is assignment problem using branch and bound technique. Now we'll discuss knapsack problem. Branch and bound technique concept is, that is, we have to consider the bound depending on the problem. It might be upper bound or lower bound. So for the assignment problem, it is lower bound because we have to assign the jobs with the minimum cost. Assignment of the jobs to the person should be as minimum as possible. So for the knapsack problem, it is upper bound because profit of the items which we are going to add in the knapsack or bag must be more. So it is maximization problem. So we have to consider the upper bound for the problem knapsack. So we know the knapsack problem. We have already discussed in dynamic programming, greedy technique. Now this is using branch and bound technique. That is, given n items of known weights wi and values vi. Values are nothing but the cost of the item. I is equal to 1 to n, and a knapsack of capacity capital W. Find the most valuable subset of the items that fit in the knapsack. So it is convenient to order the items of a given instance in descending order by their value to weight ratio. Here we have to consider in the descending order. Descending order means the most profitable item must be in the first place. So descending order by their value to weight ratio. Then the first item given gives the best payoff per weight unit, and the last one gives the worst payoff per weight unit, with ties resolved arbitrarily. That is, if we have the ratios with same ratio with the two items, then we can resolve it, that is according to the numbers given, that is item 1 and item 2 for example. If it is having same weight or same ratio, then order it according to the number itself. Then to create the state space tree for the knapsack problem using branch and bound technique, each node on the ith level of this tree, that is I greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to n, represents all the subset of n items that include a particular selection made from the first I ordered items. That is, first I ordered items means up to I, whatever the items we have considered, that will be stored in that particular node. This particular selection is uniquely determined by the path from the root to the node. A branch going to the left indicates the inclusion of the item next item, while branch going to the right indicates its exclusion. That is, we are going to include and we are going to exclude on the right side. Include on the left side and exclude on the right side, that is with the item, without the item. Then we record the total weight W and the total weight V, that is small letter w and small letter v, of this selection in the node, along with some upper bound ub on the value of any subset that can be obtained by adding 0 or more items to this selection. That is, here the total weight of w, it will give you all the items which we have considered, that is summation of all the weight of these items included into the knapsack, and we will give the value of all the items that is included in the knapsack, that is total value, that is V. So consider this example. We have 4 items with the weight 4753 and values 40, 42, 25 and 12 respectively. So value by weight, that is ratio of V by W is equal to, that is 40 divided by 10, 40 divided by 4 is 10, 42 divided by 7 is 6, 25 divided by 5 is 5, 12 divided by 3 is 4. That is, this is the ratio for ratio of V divided by W value by weight. Then to calculate the upper bound, we have a formula here. Before that, the capacity of the knapsack given is 10, that is capital W is equal to 10. Then here for calculating the upper bound we have a formula, that is V, small v. It will give the value of all the items which is included in the knapsack, that is summation of all these values of all the items, plus W is the capacity of the knapsack, and minus W, small letter w, it is the weight of all the items that is included in the knapsack. Then Vi plus 1 divided by Wi plus 1, it is the ratio of the next item to be considered, ratio value by weight for the next item to be considered. That is, if we are considering, if we are if we are trying to add the first item, then Vi plus 1 Wi plus 1 will be the second item. So let us consider the problem, and let's discuss how to construct the state space tree for the knapsack problem using branch and bound technique. First, initially V value will be 0. Here I have given in this statement for all the nodes how to calculate the upper bound. So upper bound is V plus W, capital W minus small w, into Vi plus 1 divided by Wi plus 1, we know this. For calculating for the first node, initially knapsack will be empty, so value is equal to 0, weight is also 0. So 0 plus 10 minus 0, 10 is the capacity of the knapsack, 0 plus 10 minus 0, and the next item to be considered, obviously next item to be considered will be first one. So 40 divided by 4, which is equal to 10. So 10 into 10 is, which is equal to 100. That is the first node. Then let us discuss for the second node. While discussing for the second node, while going on the left, we have to include the second item, include the first item, and we have to exclude the first item. So on the left side we have to include the first item. So value of the item to be considered, V is equal to 40. We are adding only one item, so it is equal to 40 plus 10 minus weight of the first item is 4. So 10 minus 4, and then the next item, that is second item, is 42 divided by 7, which is equal to 6. So 40 plus 6 into 6, 40 plus 36 is equal to 76. That is the next one, next node on the left side with 1, and on the right side it will be without 1. For that we are not going to consider the first item. So value, that means we are not adding the first item. So capacity of the knapsack is 10, and we are not adding anything, so it is 0. 0 plus 10 minus 0, and the next item we are excluding the first one, but obviously next item will be the second one. So for the second one, ratio is 42 divided by 7, which is equal to 60. That is on the right side. That is second node, W is equal to 0, V is equal to 0, upper bound is equal to 60, and consider the fourth equation in the list given. W is equal to 4 plus 7, which is equal to 11, which is greater than the capacity of the knapsack, so it is not a feasible solution. That is the third node. Third node, if we try to add first and the second item into the knapsack, 4 plus 7, which is equal to 11, and it is exceeding the capacity of the knapsack, so we cannot add the second item. So it is with 2 it is not possible. So without 2, it's equal to, upper bound is equal to 40 plus 10 minus 4 into 25 divided by 5. This is the ratio of the third item, so which is equal to 70. W is equal to 4, V is equal to 40, upper bound is equal to 70. That is without 2. Then from this we can extend, that is we cannot use the third node because it is not feasible, we cannot extend that, but from the fourth node we try to extend to get the solution. So we can see the sixth equation, upper bound is equal to, so we are trying to add the third item on the left side now. So with 1 and with 3, without 2 it is, so second one is not added into the knapsack, so we are going to add the third one. If we try to add the third one, 40 plus 25, which is equal to 65, that is the value for V. You can see the sixth equation, 40 plus 25 plus Then if we consider the weight of these two items, 4 plus 5, first one and third one, 4 plus 5 which is equal to 9. So capacity of the knapsack is 10. So 10 minus 9 into the next item to be considered is the fourth one. That is Vi plus 1 divided by Wi plus 1 is the fourth one. So 12 divided by 3 which is equal to 4. So if we solve this equation, we will get the value as 69. That is the fifth node. W is equal to 9, V is equal to 65, upper bound is equal to 69. That is, here we are adding the first item, we are not adding the second item, we are adding the third item. So first item and the third item, 4 plus 5 which is equal to 9, that is W, the weight of the items added into the knapsack, and value is 40 plus 25 which is equal to 65. That is the concept. Upper bound is equal to 69. Now we will check without 3, that is on the right side. Without 3 means we have excluded the second one, we are trying to exclude third one also. So we are adding only the first element. W is equal to 4. W is equal to 4 and V is also, obviously it is value of the first item which is equal to 40. Now if we cannot add the second and third item, next item will be the fourth one. So it is 10 minus 4 into 12 divided by 3 which is equal to 64. That is the sixth node. Again will continue with the third node because it is having the upper bound 69. 69 is greater than 64. So we will try to extend the 69 first. So on the left side, so if we try to extend the 69, try to add the item 4 on the left of 5. So W is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 3 which is equal to 12. This is also not feasible. 4 is the weight of the first one, 5 is the weight of the third one, and 3 is the weight of the fourth one. So 1, 3 and 4, it is not possible to add that. So it is equal to 12 which is exceeding the capacity of the knapsack 10. So we cannot add the fourth item with first and third. It is not possible. That is the seventh node. It is not a feasible solution. Then for the on the right side of the fifth node, upper bound is equal to, so we are adding the first and the third item. So 40 plus 25 plus 10 minus 9. 10 is the capacity of the knapsack and 9 is the weight of the items included, that is first and third one. 4 plus 5 which is equal to 9. 10 minus 9, and we don't have any other elements. We have excluded the second element. We are now excluding the fourth item also. Fourth item also we are not including. So it is without 4. So the next item after 4, we don't have the fifth item here. So next ratio is 0 which is equal to 65. 40 plus 25 is equal to 65. That is the optimal solution for this problem. Here we are not going to add the fraction of the item, so we cannot give the guarantee that the knapsack is completely filled, because we have left with one more unit of the capacity in the knapsack, because we have added only 9 units in the knapsack. We have left with one more unit, but here we are adding the, it is like 0 or 1 knapsack. We are adding the item completely, or we are excluding the item completely. So for this problem, optimal solution is 65, and the items added are first one and the third one with the value of 40 plus 25 which is equal to 65.